today's vlog ay i-share ko po sa inyo. So, may package po akong dumating. At alam ko na kung kanino galing. Sa aking supportive na fiancé. So, tara. Samahan nyo ako mag-unbox kung ano yung nandito. Surprise daw eh. So, tara guys. Samahan nyo na ako. So, yan guys. OMG. Wow. Shein. Shein. Oh, Shein. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, Shein. Oh. Really? Wow. So, okay, this one first. Oh. Wait, look. Oh, so sweet. Oh. So this one. Wow. And this one. Wow. Amazing. What? Ay, ang gaganda niya. Talaga ba? Wow. Look. Dami. Wow. And this. Oh. Wow. OMG. So amazing. Wow. Thank you so much, babe. Oh, I really appreciate it. So beautiful. I really love it. Wow. So nice. Oh. Thank you so much, babe. Look. Ay. Wow. Thank you, babe. Oh. Wow, it's cute. Aww. Wow, I really love it. I really love it. Oh my god. Ah! Babe, really? Look guys, it's a lot. Ay. Look what. Oh my god, it's so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pairs. Babe, why so many? Wow. Oh my god, it's so cute too. Oh. Thank you so much, babe. Look, guys. It's so twinny. Oh, thank you so much, babe. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Really. Oh my god, this one is so cool. Look, guys. Babe. I think it's gonna be party later. Mm. Wow, it's also nice too. Thank you so much, babe. I have a lot of, I don't know how to use. Oh, so cute. Babe, thank you. Thank you so much. This is all good, you know. All nice. The texture, the see. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I have a lot of to use. Oh, this one is cool also. Wow. Oh, thank you so much, babe. Thank you. Oh. Really? You're so sweet. I really like it. Thank you. So, ayan guys. Oh my god, babe. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for this surprise. Look guys, this is how many I have now. Look, ayan. This is all my surprise. Oh my god, it's so many. Very nice. Yeah. Thank you, babe. So hope guys you like my unboxing. So this is all my underwear thing. Thank you. Mwah.